Welcome to my channel Science and Vigyan. Today I will show you the new software that is a freeware, and the software is used for visualization of the tool. I have received a number of messages for visualization of the docking pose because we know in the freeware software it is very difficult to take a pose. You can take example of Autodoc. Otherwise, Autodoc is very simple software, but when we take a result after that, it is very difficult to take the pose. So I will tell you the new software, and that is an add-on to the Autodoc. You can use it as a add-on and the full software. Fine. For that, just go to the Google and type here MGL2. Okay, I think my screen is visible to all. Now you can see there are about 64,645,000 results, but from out of all, we need to open this only, the Center for Computational Structural Biology, because this is a center that solely meant for performing all the bioinformatics studies. Okay, now it appears as this. We need to download the software. We just go to directly to the download. Yes. Okay, it looked like this. After that, there are a number of options. We need to click the depending on the platform onto which we need to use this software. I'm using Windows in my laptop, so just I click this one only. Okay, it looked like this. After that, I need to okay, it looked like this. Because I have already installed the software, I just cancel it. It looked like this. After that, we need to follow a few instructions. Like firstly, I need to click the yes to install this setup. Yeah, after that, next I need to accept this. Next, then it is already defined. After that, or you can choose a browse depending on if you want to download the software into the D drive or the E drive, you can click any option from the here from here you can choose it. I just simply cancel it, and I have already installed it. I just close it. So cancel. After installing, it looked like this. I want to show you, and in the next video I want to show, I would like to tell you how you need to perform the docking study with the help of this. Okay, I will install it because I think otherwise it is. Okay, click install. Next, next step, next. It will take time to pay. When it fully install on the software, it will show as Python molecular viewer. As you already know, there is one more software, PyMoon, and that is also that is also for the freeware. But this MGL tool, they are very helpful to take a pose from the Autodoc only. And Autodoc is no doubt that is not user friendly, but if you want to know about the Autodoc in detail, what are the main basic steps while we need to take care while performing the docking in the Autodoc, please to mention in the comment box. I would like to describe that in detail also. I just install it. Okay. I think now it is run. Like this, yeah. Like few time it will take to install it. Yeah, it's done. Need to click this only, install it. Okay, now you can see there is a launch PME that I already share you. It's appear is a Python molecule view that is used for solely used for the uh, visualization of the pose. Fine. And I want to create the Dexter shortcut, and no, there is no need to click launch and just finish it. Okay. This one, yeah. Okay, it looked like this. This one, yeah. If it's shown like this, it means our software is installed. Now I wanted to share the Python screen. Fine. And please stay tuned to my channel if you want to know about how we need to perform the docking or how we need to take a pose by using this software. Fine. It looked like this only. This is the Python molecular view. Fine. And there are the few tools. And for this video, I just shared for the how you install or download the MGL2. In the next video, I want to share how it's look like. Thank you. Thank you, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.